What's the old adage? Never be tempted by the forbidden fruit. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to create the forbidden fruit. Now, this cocktail is similar in some ways to a lot of mule drinks that you may know of. For example, say a Moscow mule or the Mexican mule that you've seen from time to time. However, this is more for the fall season. Unlike the Moscow mule, which, yes, you can have basically any time of year, or the Kentucky mule or anything like that. This one is really geared for the fall season because it utilizes apple brandy. Apple brandy is really appropriate for this time of year with the fall season arriving, it being cooler, being more days are getting shorter, the colors in the trees have changed, leaves have started to fall down, and we start getting in towards the holiday season. So this was created by Aisha Sharp. I don't know exactly where she originated from. However, this combines a number of interesting ingredients, not just apple brandy, but also Pimm's No. 1, which I believe was created by James Pimm's, and if you've ever had the Pimm's cup, you've had this. It's a gin-based liqueur. It's something I've never had. It sounds interesting, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is a shaken cocktail, which means, of course, grab a shaker. I need bitters. I need 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, and I need 2 dashes of Peychaud's Bitters. The dash darts that you see on my bitters, they thin it out a little bit, but I'm still going to keep it to 2. That way, not having to worry about it. You want to go 3? Go 3 with them. I went 2. And to that, I need a teaspoon of simple syrup. So that's a little less than 1/4 of an ounce. My simple syrup has crystallized a little bit. By the way, if you create your own simple syrup, it will crystallize from time to time. You can reheat it with hot water and you'll be fine. I need this because I now need lemon juice. And I need a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, fresh squeezed if at all possible. Now we get into the hard stuff. I need Pimm's No. 1. Welcome to the program. I need 1 ounce of Pimm's No. 1. And I need, to finish this off, 1.5 ounces of Laird's straight apple brandy, bottled in bond. And now, you know what's next. Now, ice cube in, cocktail in. There's this little mini swirl, make sure we're good. Pop, good, go. That will work easily. You're gonna put this into a Collins glass or highball glass. And I'm gonna strain this over fresh ice. Hawthorne strainer in. Strain right on top. And now to top with ginger beer. I'm using Gosling's. Any ginger beer that you prefer is fine. Top right off the ice. 2 combine. And now a straw right on in. And this is a forbidden fruit. Cheers. That's nice. That's really nice. The ginger beer, of course, the ginger just punches you right in the mouth. The apple brandy adds subtle tartness in the back. The Pimm's, I'm not sure I get. I haven't had Pimm's just straight, so I don't know exactly what flavors it would bring. But it's nice. I mean, it's very nice. Ooh, You get the ginger right off the bat, but then you get sweetness from the apple brandy. You get a little bit of herbaceousness. I think that might be the Pimm's. You get the bitters, the anise note. Just, it's subtle, very subtle. The the flavors from the Angostura, just, it's right there. Like, this is nice. I mean, I would say this is a very fine cocktail. Especially for if you want a longer drink for the colder months. This could go from, I would say, Halloween all the way down until, you know, until spring. Especially if you make this, let's say, for Valentine's Day. How about a forbidden fruit? Might not be as pink as Valentine's Day drinks, but you know what I mean. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check down below. There is a link to kit.co, which houses everything I utilize aside from the alcohol, of course. There are also Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. Not going to tell you. Find all my socials down in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.